Hey guys, welcome to this worthless piece of shit video. I'll be telling that I actually am a Muso Planet scammer, alright? I scammed a long time ago. I rarely play this game anymore. Well, I actually do on different accounts, but I don't scam anymore. But I was a scammer, and I admit that because everybody keeps saying, "Oh, you scam it all year, every year." Like, I'm just gonna put it out there. I am a scammer. I hacked this account. I'm a hacker as well, and my friends already know. Yes, this is my friend texting me. And she's actually right here. This is her right here, Emily. Remember? Do you remember this girl on here? Yeah. Yeah, they know. They can see you, Emily, by the way. So yeah, so I did scam this account. Let me see what other accounts I scammed. I scammed this account as well. I'm a hacker. I'm a scammer, and this is my this is my friend. She's in the background, not giving a fuck. So yeah, I am a scammer. I did scam this account as well. I scammed this account too. Yep, I scammed this account as well. This is proof that I am a scammer. I can log on to the account if you want. I'll be right back if you want. Okay, so this is the account I'm on. This is the hacked account I have. Now I'm going to go on the other one to prove it. I have 5 hacked accounts I'll go on right now to show you. Okay, sadly I forgot the password to this one. But, you know, I'll log into another one if you want. What account do I have? Let me think for a second. Oh! Yeah, oh god damn it, I forgot all the other ones. That's proof. That's proof I have all other accounts. So if your business is gonna keep commenting, "Oh, you're a hacker, little scammer," I know. You put me all you want, I don't care if you got IP banned anyway. I hate this game, really. So you guys can just ban me all you want. So yeah, goodbye.